Hey there, I'm Lucy. I'm here to introduce you to the Anything app. The internet is super helpful, but sometimes it's much easier to just talk to a person, don't you think? That's the Anything app. With Anything, you can easily find the right person and connect immediately, essentially buying a little bit of that person's time. With the Anything app, everyone can make themselves available to help other people over the phone. We set a price per minute, or help for free. There's video calling, calls, and chat. Because of the video function, you can get help buying clothing, look at a broken toilet together with the plumber, get flirting tips, and so on. But Anything also helps with quick access to lawyers, buying the right bottle of wine, or finding someone to talk to when you need a chat. Anything can be found on Anything app. Everyone on the app is a normal person just like you. Anybody can help other people over the phone. In fact, everybody should. It's simply picking up the phone, helping someone with your profession or passion, and getting paid for every minute of your time. People already have the knowledge. All they have to do is sign up once. And when they need a hand, you can always find the right person on Anything app. Custom advice in your pocket. We're planning on creating the best human assistance network in Southeast Asia. The AnyCoin is used as a method of payment on the app. FIAT is there too, so we can cater to everyone. With AnyCoin, calls become cheaper. You unlock cross-border calling, advertising, and more. Also, did you know our second app using AnyCoin is already in the pipeline? Thanks to the Anything app, anyone has the opportunity to start making money and start saving time. And everybody wants that. That's the Anything app.